Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to install Copilot Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, in January 2023, GitHub Copilot is a code completion tool developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI. It assists developers by suggesting code snippets as they write. However, GitHub Copilot is integrated into code editors like Visual Studio Code. And here are the general steps to install GitHub Copilot and Visual Studio Code. The first thing is, if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed, download and install it from the official website link in the description below, and just follow the prompts to install the Visual Studio. Next step, launch Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 PC by clicking Finish. Another step, once Visual Studio Code is open, go to the View, then go on the Extensions or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. In the Extensions view, search for GitHub Copilot. Find the GitHub Copilot extension in the search result and click on the Install button. Next step, follow any prompts or instructions that appear to complete the installation, and they log in to GitHub. Next step, once done, it's a good practice to restart Visual Studio Code to ensure the extension is fully activated. Keep in mind that the software tools and integration might receive updates, and the installation process could change. Therefore, it's recommended to check the official documentation or GitHub repository for GitHub Copilot for the latest and most accurate installation instructions. Please verify the information based on the latest sources, as my knowledge is limited to information available up to January 2023. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.